Woke up this morning, can't remember nothing.
Yo guys, welcome to another video. Welcome to another day in the life of beginner forex trader. If you're new to the channel, please smash that subscribe button, and if you are a returning subscriber, I appreciate you, man. So today I was supposed to go to school. It's a Saturday. I have to go to school, but I didn't go because I'm sick. As you can tell, I'm sick because those who know my channel, I'm usually enthusiastic from the start, but right now I'm more in the child side. I'm sick, yeah, but it doesn't stop me from making this video. It can stop me from going to school, but not stop me from doing what I love to do. So I started falling sick yesterday. Yesterday was very bad. It was bad, but you know, man, it doesn't stop me from doing what I love, because yesterday I took notes, I watched a few videos, and yeah, man, we worked yesterday night on Friday. So yeah, man, the sickness doesn't stop me from doing what I love. So yeah, man, it's a Saturday morning. Yeah, I was supposed to go to school, I didn't go. So I'm gonna use this opportunity to start the markets, because as you all know from my previous video, I'm testing out a new strategy. It's more focused on price action, and yeah, man, tag along in this video. Please smash that like button, that subscribe button, comment down below. Peace.
Take off. Woke up this morning, can't remember nothing. Two bitches just flowing from London. Nothing I remember, they calling me daddy. The mansion was covered in money. Went to sleep with my jewelry and chains on. Had to wake up and recount the money. I got a bitch, she gon' kill for real. Talking about Clyde and Bunny. Cool with the kid, copy. Got to pull up with a stick, stop it. Rich nigga shit, solid. Rich nigga, oh, 100 pockets riding. Got it. I go to space with the stars. I smoke a blunt with my pilot. Saturn, Moon, Earth, and Mars. NASA take off with the rocket.
So guys, right now I'm charging my laptop. Later on in the day, I'm gonna show you what I learned. So later on in this video, I'm gonna show you what I learned this week so far about the trading strategy, and yeah, man, what I learned basically. Yo guys, so right now what I'm going to do is I'm going to study, because I have an upcoming test. I have an upcoming test at school, so I'm gonna study, and after studying I'm gonna take a nap because I'm very sick. And yeah, man, I'll catch you then. Peace. Yo guys, so I woke up a few minutes back, and I didn't really take a nap because I was in bed, yes, but I was kind of sleeping 15 minutes, so I don't count that as a nap. So yeah, man, right now I am going to show you what I learned from the new price action strategy. We about to head to the charts, so yeah, man. Guys, before we get into the charts, please do me a favor and go subscribe. Go follow my Instagram page. It's official Ballo.trades. It's in my bio. It's in my bio. Leads you here, right? Please do me a favor and go subscribe. I currently have 39 followers, and yeah, man, please do the most, man. Yo, what's up guys? What's up? Welcome to my charts, aka my second home. So yeah, man, we're in the charts, and I'm about to show you what I learned from the price action strategies, the videos that I watched. I'm about to show you what I learned. So I learned that start on the daily chart to identify two or three things. It's the first one being momentum, the second one being where price is heading, right? Momentum or price, where price could be heading, right? So before digging into the charts, I can clearly see that we're in a kind of a resistance zone, right? Yeah, resistance zone. This was a previous support, now turning to resistance. So this here, price could be turning, looking to the downside, could be heading to the downside, right? Since we're in a daily zone, could be heading to the downside, but we never know, right? So I zoom into my charts, into my recent charts. So I like to draw, I like to see where the market is heading, right? So I'd like to draw my trend lines, right? So I'm looking for two touches, right? Looking for two touches. So I'll draw it on the opposite side too. So right here, right? So this is the first touch. This is the first touch. Second touch, and we're looking for number third touch if it happens, right? Okay, let's remove all this, right? So yeah, same thing happens on the opposite side. First touch, second touch, it didn't touch, so I'm looking for another third touch. Then we'll be going down, we'll be heading down if that happened, right? So I'm looking for a third touch. Remember, I'm on a daily chart, right? I'm looking for a third touch. Okay, that is the third touch, ladies and gentlemen. That is the touch. So I'm expecting price to go back down to form another third touch on the opposite side, right? So I could see momentum, so I identified where the market is going. I identified momentum. As you can see by these three consecutive bearish candles, we're heading down, right? So if you know the SMC concept, you'll know that this is a trend change, right? We're changing direction, right? So we're looking for sales, right? We identified where the market is going, and we identified momentum, right? We scale down to the 4-hour chart. Since we got that checked out, go back to the 4-hour chart. Go back to the 4-hour chart, and we like on the 4-hour chart, we'd like to see some kind of a pattern, right? Identify also my minor zones, right? This could be a zone, and this could be another zone right here. This could be another zone right here, right? Play that in. Want to see what the market does. Okay, it's finding some kind of resistance, moving. Okay, this I wouldn't consider this as a breakout because the market is not perfect. The market is not perfect, and we respond to what the market gives us. The market won't respect your setups, right? The market won't respect your setups, right? Okay, so I can see here we currently forming some kind of a flag, right? So I want to see two touches, like I said. Okay, I need to see resistance. Okay, so this qualifies to be my trend right here. We clone it, do it on the opposite side, right? So we play the price. So here we're now resistance, right? So here So our first touch, second touch, first touch, second touch. So I'll be looking to sell this since we're in a overall downtrend on the daily chart. So I'm looking for some kind of rejection right here in the top. Looking for some kind of rejection. Oh, a doji, nice. Identify the doji, which is, I don't know if it's this, you call it a doji or a morning star, I don't know what you call it, but I can see clear rejection from that level, as you can see by the long wick and small body. So what I like to do is place my orders right here, selling, right? Then I'd like to put price, as you can see, another third touch, right? First touch, second touch, and we're on our resistance zone. So that's enough confirmation for me, right? So I'd like to put it somewhere, because I can see the zone right here, right? I can see the zone, so I like to put it in my zone. Because what I've learned about trading is, if something looks too good to be true, it's most likely not to happen, right? As you can see, we found support, and we found resistance right here that broke through. So this could be a retest, third line, third touch, and we are at our resistance level. So this is a triple confirmation for me to sell. So like I learned on the SMC concepts, this is, as long as it's too good to be true, liquidity might come and sweep. It's what I learned, right? So I like to put my stop loss freely, and I usually, let me go to the 1 hour chart. Okay. Oh yes, oh yes, oh yes, this is what I like to see. This right here, momentum candles, right? So remember, I don't place my trade on the 1 hour chart. I might do so when I buy a funded account, but as for now, I'm on low capital, so this doesn't allow me to put my entries on the 1 hour chart, because I'm at risk of blowing my account. So this platform doesn't allow me to go any further than 1 hour, but it's okay. What I learned about trading is same thing happens on every time frame, just happens on a bigger scale, right? So we might target our daily resistance. Let's go back to the daily chart. As I said, the price might come down here. Okay, let's target this zone. So I'm seeing you guys might identify this as a supply zone, but yeah, man, I'm still getting into supply and demand. So I'd like to target this right here, the zone. I'd like to target it. So okay, let's see if the setup is true or not. So going back to my confirmations, right? This zone right here, let me make it a different color so you can see. No. Okay, this is red zone right here. This zone right here, the red one, is it found okay, let me say resistance. As you can see, resistance, then broke through, came back, support, went back up, came back, support, went back up, came back, support, then did all what it did on the top, then came back, then it formed this. As you can see, did something here. I don't want to call it support, because support is supposed to bounce off at that level, but didn't bounce off, but it found a bit of resistance. So now we broke it, we're coming back for the retest now. So my checklist, third touch right on this trend line, 1 2 3, third touch going down. On the daily chart, we going down. So that's enough confluences for me to sell this market, and target the next daily what do you call it, daily, target the next daily zone, right? So yeah, man, let's see what the price did. Okay, we're in the trade, breaking through. We're finding support. We're breaking through. And we're going back up. Okay, it's fine. Going back up. Okay, going back up. Going back up. Okay. Oh, that almost took me out. I think this is the fundamental news. But it doesn't matter. We are still in the trade. Let me take this to the 4-hour chart so you can see. We're still in the trade, right? Still in the trade. Going back down. We're in profits. Remember, we took this trade on a 1 minute chart, 1 hour chart, 1 hour time frame. Still in profits, finding the resistance at the zone. Going back down.
Slide on a pimp gang with my pinky ring. Lot of gang, lot of bitches in the icy chain. While you claim that you rich, that's a false claim.
Okay, this took forever to play out. And going back to the 1 minute daily chart. Going back to the daily chart, we are at the zone right here, which is what the third touch, right? Going out, we might going up again from here. So yeah, man, that's the basis of what I learned, man. And I'm not perfect. I'm still backtesting this strategy. So the reason why I was taking trades on the 1 hour chart is because this platform that I'm using doesn't allow me to go back to the 15 minute and the 5 minute to put in my entries, right? So I had to place my trades on the 1 hour chart. So yeah, man, as you could see, that was a good trade, man. So that is what I learned, right? Basically the basis of it, right? Yeah. So yeah, we done on the chart. Yo guys, so that is it for today's video. Please hit that subscribe button and that like button, and guys, please go follow my Instagram page, link in bio. And yeah, man, like, share, subscribe, and tune in to the next video. Peace.
Fuck what a nigga say. It's all the same like Mary Kate.